In this video, I'll show you how to create a sticky button like this on Shopify. The button remains fixed, no matter how far the customer scrolls down the product page, and allows them to choose product variants. They can choose the quantity, and when they click this button, it will take them directly to the checkout page so they can buy the product easily. This button will increase the conversion rate, which in turn will boost your sales. You'll find the code link for this in the video description. Now follow me step by step to get it done. I've also left the Shopify registration link for you in the video description. Through it, you'll receive a 3-day free trial, and your first 3 months on Shopify will only cost $1 each month. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as I post weekly videos about Shopify. This is how we're going to make this sticky button on our Shopify store. First, we'll navigate to the online store section, and from there we can simply click on the 3 dots to make our selection. However, to begin, I'll make a duplicate of this theme. This way, should any issues arise, I'll be able to effortlessly revert to the previous version. Now we will click on duplicate, and it will generate a copy of the theme for us. It's best to apply these changes to the copy. From here, we will click on code, and then from there, we will click on Explorer. After that, we'll go to sections. You'll find a link to this code in the video description. You'll begin by copying this full name exactly as before. Afterward, navigate here to the sections area, then right-click on it. Then choose New File, paste the section name here, and press Enter. Next, you'll select this entire code from here and paste it here. After that, you'll click Save. Now you can navigate back, then return here and either click on Customize or Launch Customize in a fresh new tab. And from here, we will choose the main product page. Now we can come over here and click on Add Section and then search for the section name right here. This is it. We'll select it from here, and you'll see the section appear like this on the desktop, and this is how it looks on mobile. Now we can change it from here. The section background itself, the text color, the text size, and you can adjust all the settings. We can also change the existing text on this button now and easily control everything within this particular section. Now we will proceed to click the Save button, and then we have the option to click on the Preview button to view how this particular section appears. If you find that everything looks satisfactory, you can then proceed to click the Publish button here to release the new version of the template. We'll click Publish once more. Consequently, we have retained the previous version here while simultaneously publishing the updated version. We can now come here and click on Review to begin to see the template. If we navigate to this product page presently, you will observe the Sticky Buy button is enabled, allowing customers to select various options directly from this point. Then, they select the quantity and click to buy. Within just a few seconds, they will be instantly redirected to the checkout page where they can enter their personal data and complete the order. And that's our tutorial for today. If you have any inquiries, write them in a comment.